Is it worth getting a personal injury lawyer? Well, the answer is usually yes, and let me tell you why. When you get involved in an auto accident or dog bite or some sort of assault and battery, what you may be thinking is, what is my case worth? And the answer to that question is fairly difficult because the insurance company's view is that your case is worth as little as possible. Because an insurance company's job is one thing, to pay as little as possible on as little as possible. So when you get an offer from the insurance company, let's say you're done treating, you've sent them your bills and records, you've looked at the crash report to see all the various stuff the police had written down, and you're wondering if their offer is a good one. Well, a personal injury lawyer like me at Bressman Law, we've done this day in and day out, so we can tell you if the insurance company has given you a fair offer. Now, when you think about a dollar total, you may get a higher dollar total with a personal injury lawyer, but what you should be really looking at is what is your net? What is your net in pocket? For example, I've declined clients when they've gotten a fair offer. I've had clients come in, they'll say, I've received a X offer from this insurance company. Do you think it's fair? And so after I look at all the bills and records, I look at the crash report, I look at kind of everything that's kind of gone on in the case, and I ask myself and I ask them, can I give you more than my fee's worth if I take on your case? Because when you ask that question, can I provide more than what my fee is? If you got, for example, a $7,000 offer, and an attorney is going to cost you a third. So alone, your net is going to be whatever the insurance company paid you minus what's in your pocket. Um, but the other way that I look at it too is, can I add over my fee's worth, not only in getting you more money from the insurance company, but have I taken care of all of your liens? Have I taken care of the subrogation? Have I taken care of everything so that way when you walk out of my office, you're never going to have to deal with this again? And if you do, if you have a letter that comes in, you call me and I tell you what to do. But ultimately, you know, the subrogated carriers, your health insurance company, your car insurances, MedPay, all of that needs to be paid back, especially Medicaid. I can't tell you the amount of times that I've had a Medicaid client come to me who's been involved in a previous accident and they're coming to me for their new one. I talk to Medicaid and I find out that they owe money on their last case. And because I think people don't realize that if you don't pay Medicaid back, they they will come after you. They will come and take the money. So when you get a call from an insurance company 2 days after your auto accident saying, "I'll give you $1,000 pain and suffering, and then I'll give you $7,500 for 6 months of treatment," you've got to be asking yourself, um, "Am I in over my head?" I mean, these adjusters for insurance companies are taught to settle for as little as possible. I mean, if you are dealing with an adjuster without an attorney, they are trained to deal with people like you, people who have never been in an auto accident before, people who hear that they're going to get $1,000 and their medical treatment is going to be for the next 6 months is going to be paid for up to $7,500, and they think that's a good deal until that they find out that their subrogated carriers want money and it's more than what they're supposed to get. Now, if you have a government program, Medicaid, Medicare, there's a formula that tells them how much they're supposed to get. But if it's a private insurance carrier, you've signed an insurance contract that allows them to get their money back when there's an at-fault accident. So again, is it worth getting a personal injury lawyer? I think it is, because ultimately it takes it off your plate, and the personal injury lawyer helps you get your entire case taken care of. Not just a settlement from the insurance company, but the settlement, the health insurance subrogation, the car insurance subrogation, and any other providers who may try to lay a claim to your money. If you're looking for a personal injury lawyer, give Bressman Law a call at 614-538-1116, or you can always email me at jedediah@bressmanlaw.com.